Here is a short tutorial on how to practice the New Testament Greek lowercase. Uppercase is almost like the English in many ways, so I will not do that. But the lowercase or small letter. First, I drew this parallel line, and so while practicing, we'll try to work within this line. Or one way will be you can just pull a lined notebook and start practicing, but for clarity I will show you here. We have alpha, that is between this line, and we have beta, we have gamma, delta, epsilon, zeta, eta, theta, iota, kappa, lambda, mu, nu, z, omicron, p, rho. We have normal sigma, and we have final sigma. This one goes below the line. We have tau, we have epsilon, phi, chi, psi, and omega. Or simply you bring a lined paper and just practice here. Between this line we have alpha, beta, beta goes a little bit here, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, zeta, eta, theta, we have iota, kappa, lambda, mu, nu, z, omicron, p, rho, normal sigma, final sigma, tau, epsilon, phi, chi, psi, and omega. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, zeta, eta, theta, iota, kappa, lambda, mu, nu, z, omicron, p, rho, sigma, tau, epsilon, phi, chi, psi, and omega. Here you go. Now you can carry on and try practicing. You spell it out at the same time, write on the paper. That way we catch up clear. Alright, enjoy your New Testament Greek.